Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Boxed Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then scroll down to the push notification section, tap on it, and here you can get two types of notifications. So you can set this notify me for comments on a file. So when a comment has been added to one of your files, tap on this button in the right side, then click on the allow button to enable the app to have access to your notifications. So tap on it, and then you can also tap on or turn on the collaboration invites notifications. So if you want to turn off any of these, just go back or come back to this section and tap on the relevant button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.